videos. So our last video that we posted was about our giveaway, and it was a couple things in that video that I forgot to mention. One of the things is to please make sure that your channel is not private. If your channel is listed as private and you have a private account, I won't be able to see that you subscribe to my channel. Your name won't pop up, and I won't be able to enter you into the drawing. So you guys have 2 days to go and look in your YouTube account and make sure that your channel is not private. I'm going to have a list of all the names, and I'm going to pull those from a hat or a bucket, whatever one, randomly. And so this is the final giveaway gift here for our winner. So it's all set up and ready for you. Whoever you are,
you'll get this drone. And it really flies.
So guys, that's the end of our video.
Make sure to subscribe, comment, like, and ring the bell.
That's the end of our video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to ring the bell. And don't forget, you only have 2 days left for our giveaway.